This video is to show you how to do your online course selection. First, you're going to start by going to the Newport Harbor High School webpage. As you can see up here, it's nhhs.nmusd.us. At the home page on the right-hand side, locate the tab labeled Quick Links. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Aries Portal login. Once you're there, you're going to sign in using your ID number at nmusd.us. So if your ID number is 123456, you would type in 123456 at nmusd.us, then click Next. On your version, you're also going to get a new screen that reads Sign in with Google. Click on that button, then you'll get a screen that looks like this, and you're going to type in your password. Your password is the same password you use to log into a computer on campus, into a Chromebook, or to log onto your Google account. So type that password in and then click Sign In. You should get a page that looks similar to this. As you can see, I'm on a demo school called Screaming Eagle High School, so your screen may look a little different. When you log in, it will read Newport Harbor High School. In order to do your course selection, you're going to go to the Student Info tab and click on Course Request Entry. Next, you will get to a page that looks like this. I'm going to show you how to create a course selection by showing all courses. Notice, it automatically defaults to that, so you're going to select Show All Courses and click Search. Then, a list of all the courses available to you in your grade level will show up. So let's say I already know I want to take Art 2. It's in alphabetical order, so I scroll down to Art 2, I click on it, it's going to prompt me and ask, do you really want to add Art 2? And I would click OK, and then it shows up here under Primary Requests. Now, the second way to do this is by subject area. So I'm going to remove the filter, I'm going to go to this drop-down menu, and I'm going to select English. Now remember, this is a demo school, so the courses don't look the same. The names of the course on our campus is Comp Lit, but we're going to select English 10 because we selected English as our subject area, so you would only see English classes on the menu. In order to select English 10, click on it again, you're given the prompt, are you really sure? Select OK, and the course comes up over here. Now, let's say I made a mistake and I don't want English 10. I can just click X, it'll prompt, are you sure you want to remove this? And you'll select OK. And maybe you really wanted Honors English 10. Click on Honors English 10, it's going to prompt again, and click OK, and it'll show up here. Finally, I'm going to show you a third way that you can search for a class. Start at Show All Courses, and then over here where it says name or number, I can type a class name or number. I'm looking for, let's say, Biology. So I'm going to type in Biology, and then I'm going to click Search, and then any class that has Biology in it is going to populate here. So if I want to take Biology, I'm going to click on Biology, click OK, and it's going to show up here. Let's say you think you're done picking all your courses and you want to make sure that all the correct changes are made. The way that you can do that is go back to the Student Info tab, and instead of going to Course Request Entry, go to Course Requests, and you'll see the screen looks a little bit different, but it shows all the courses that you selected. Remember, I had initially selected English 10. Then I deleted it and added Honors English 10. You can see here the first selection does not show up and the correct selection does. This is a good way to check that everything is correct on your schedule. This is exactly what your counselors will see when they look at your course selections. So make sure this is correct. If you have any questions about this process or you're having trouble, please visit your counselor and they'll be happy to help.